Hey yo, what's going on, you guys? It's FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another unboxing video. And in today's unboxing video, we're going to be unboxing the new Gemini Jet Airbus Beluga XL. Got this one part of my Easter model. Here is the model. It's a huge box. It's a very large box. So yeah, let's start with the box. There is the front of the box, Gemini 200 Airbus, 8th Airbus Beluga XL. Here are the sides. Have not unboxed this model yet. Super excited to get this one open. Yeah, let's go ahead and crack this thing open. So if you remember from about a year ago this time, when my last batch of Easter models came in, I actually have more Easter models to come. I have 3 more Easter models, and they should be coming soon, hopefully. Hopefully they'll be coming soon. Wow, this thing is humongous. Absolutely giant. I'm going to put it on the stand here so we don't have any casualties this early in the model's life. This thing is ginormous. So it comes with so many things, like the nose cone, your wheels, your doors for your landing gear, doors, maneuver thingy-majiggies that they include. I guess let's just start by sliding the landing gear in. Put this thing back on the stand. Start by sliding the landing gear in here real quick. Actually looks nice. I've been super excited about this model since like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2-3 weeks ago when I knew that it was coming. And so this is a comprehensive review, of course. This is such a big model. Of course, I'm gonna tear this thing down, show you what it looks like in every configurable mode. But there it is in the landing gear. The landing gear, nice. This thing, I'm literally speechless. Such a big, cool looking model. Absolutely ginormous, huge. So many words for this plane. This is so big. Looks so good. Here's the back of the model. There's the other side of the model. Detail along the lines is fantastic. It actually has 2 beacon or anti-collide lights, which is insane. Just to show you the sheer size of this thing. This is like a normal Airbus A330 nose. Got packaging everywhere. This is like a normal Airbus A330 nose. Of course, it's a modified A330. These are modified A330 engines. But yeah, I guess let's turn it into the on-ground mode. This is literally metal. Wow, that's insane. metal, but there is a little discolorization you can see from that. 2 different colors there. Not that annoying, but a little disappointing. There it is with the cargo door open. The inside is super detailed. I mean, detailed, and just look at that right there. Super detailed. Model looks insane. Yeah, it's super detailed. All the way around. Everything you would expect from Gemini jets. Looks really good. Gemini jets did a great job with this model, for sure. But yeah, so here's a little bit of a closer look on the part here. Inside's metal. It's entirely metal. This thing's literally nuts. But I guess let's go ahead and put it into flying mode. Okay, so that's what it looks like with the doors closed on the gear. And super good model. I love this model. It's a great new model for my 1/200 scale. But I guess I'm gonna send it off with you guys on that. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next one for the 200 sub special. And thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.